Hello artist and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. In this video you will see me try the following art challenge. Use warm and cool colors to show emphasis in a reptile eye drawing. Before we talk about color and emphasis, we will need to draw the eye first. Follow along while I begin my reptile eye drawing. Once you have the basic eye shape drawn, it'll be important to show the textures of a reptile. Texture is the way something feels, or looks like it might feel in art. What are some words you can think of that describe the texture of a reptile? In steps 5 and 6 how I use line patterns to show the scales, bumps, and spikes. That's because reptiles are often scaly, bumpy, and spiky. This is a really fun step to design creatively while you fill your paper. Check out some of the choices I made for the textures and start to think of ways you will show your own texture. When you are done drawing and outlining, you will want to color the triangle shape in the middle of the eye black. This part of the eye is called the pupil, and we have pupils too, but ours are circular. Now we can start talking about the color part of this challenge. You will need to choose either warm colors or cool colors to decorate the scales, bumps, and spikes around the eye. Can you tell which type of colors I chose? Because I chose warm colors for the outside, I will need to choose cool colors for the iris of the eye. The iris is the colorful part of the eye, and since the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, I will need to use the cool colors, green, blue, and purple for the iris. Look closely to see how I blend those colors together nicely. The cool colored iris stands out against the warm colored scales because the colors are opposites. When something stands out in a work of art, we can call that emphasis. Using different colors in your artwork is a really great way to get people to focus on the important parts of your drawings. This art challenge can really help you become a pro or a master at color. Remember, the art challenge is to use warm and cool colors to show emphasis on a reptile eye drawing. You've seen my attempt and now it's your turn to try. This can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making artist and enjoy.